Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates. And for the holiday season, everybody loves roses. It's a really great way to dress up your table. And you can see today we're using the gold ginger vase. It has a mercury gold finish. But I want to throw a couple options out there for you to really dress them up. So in this one, what we've done is done 6 of the large head roses, the Playa Blanca roses. And then I also have 6 stems of the premium spray roses. So it's a way to add extra volume into your designs. And you can see that there's similar head size and there's similar cost. So it's a way to kind of be able to add to those dozen roses and really create an elegant look. I have another way to be able to dress up roses. And in our next design, what we're gonna do is start off with a holly bush. So this is a permanent botanical holly bush, and you can see that it shapes out really well. To cut this, I'm actually gonna use my stem cutter that cuts bushes really easy. And you can see that is a great valuable tool for this time of year. And I've just shaped out this holly bush a little bit. Holly is one that's a little bit harder to get, and everybody's really embracing that variegated foliage right now. And I think holly is a great way to really bring that holiday spirit in and not have any issues. So in this design, what we're going to do is just use that holly as a base structure. I'm coming in and doing the outside ring of roses first, and that's something that I call the stem grid technique, where I'm coming back and forth and forming X's inside the vase to be able to have a grid that you'll be able to work into. So you can see once you start adding your taller roses that they're going to stand right up in place. So I think being able to add this permanent botanical holly in is a really festive look for your holiday dozen roses, and can really dress them up really easily. And then we are going to add a couple stems of fresh greens to kind of accentuate and add to that. But you can see how easily this works up. Stems are flying. It's the way it is in the floral business. All right, then I come in and just add one up in the focal area up here. So you can see how easily that works up. I have space between each rose for it to be able to mature. And then I'm just gonna come in and add some of the holiday foliages, the fresh foliages. So I have a little bit of white pine that I'm adding in. And just that'll give the holly a more realistic feeling. So when they come up and touch the pine, they get the appearance that everything is fresh in it. But you can also sell them on the fact that they can have this be a long-lasting design and bring it back and have them refresh the roses if you have another party later in the season. So the holiday greens and the permanent botanical greens, of course, will last, and then you can give them a second option. As we're cutting up holiday greens, one of my tips is to flip it to the back side where you can see the divisions, and so that you can kind of keep them on the main stem as much as possible, and just come in and then you strip off the foliage that's going to go into the water. But we'll do this and just look at some other pine quick. 2. But just adding additional textural elements. And I'm just gonna finish off with some of the other pine. And so here you can see it a little bit more drastically where you have some of the breaks where you can cut here so that you can keep that main stem on. So if I come here and then I'm able to use this piece as well and just turn it so that that cut end is covered up and you're able to use that pine. So I'm gonna strip the base foliage off this and just come in and finish up that to color just right on the edge of the composition. Okay, so here we can see our final presentation of that dozen roses. I did bend the holly a little bit to make sure that it's a little bit more visible and come out, and you can see how I have a great spread on the roses. You're able to use a little bit shorter stem rose. Today I'm using a Freedom that has that great rich red color, and you can see the combination of textures. This would be a great dozen rose upgrade for the holiday season. So I hope you'll bring some of these components in and delight your customers with them.